Hi, and welcome to this series, The Stories of the Classical Masters. We embark on a journey to unravel the lives and art history of painters who indelibly shaped the world of art. I'm Shavit, your guide into the fascinating world of one such luminary, a true icon of the Italian Renaissance. Today we delve into the life and times of Tiziano Vecellio, more widely recognized as Titian in the English-speaking world. Titian, born in 1488, although some historical accounts suggest 1477, stands as a monumental figure in the annals of art history. His canvas bore witness to the zenith of the 16th century Venetian art scene. Hailing from the quaint town of Pieve di Cadore, nestled about 100 kilometers north of Venice, Titian's very name pays homage to his roots, sometimes referred to as da Cadore, denoting his birthplace. Titian's artistic work was nothing short of remarkable. He effortlessly traversed genres from capturing human likeness in portraits to rendering landscapes and breathing life into mythological and religious narratives. Yet, it was his virtuoso use of color that sets him apart, an artistic alchemy that would inspire generations to come. Indeed, Titian stands as a bedrock of the Venetian school of Italian Renaissance painting, a testament to his enduring influence. In his formative years, Titian's insatiable curiosity and thirst for innovation found a mentor in the form of Giovanni Bellini, a master who held color as the very essence of painting. This tutelage laid the foundation of Titian's pioneering experiments with color. Early in his career, Titian gravitated towards religious subjects, and in 1513 he received a prestigious commission, the Assumption of the Virgin, for the Frari Church in Venice, a masterpiece that remains a beacon of his early brilliance. As his prowess matured, patrons across Europe sought his virtuosity. One such illustrious patron was Karl V, the Holy Roman Emperor. An ardent admirer granted Titian the privilege of capturing his likeness in regal splendor. Among Titian's iconic works, the portrait of Pope Paul III endures as a testament to his command over color, inspiring a pontiff's dignified presence with richness rarely equaled. But Titian's artistry transcended the realm of portraiture. He possessed a rare talent for crafting intricate narrative-rich compositions, breathing life into scenes like Bacchus and Ariadne and the Rape of Europa. His vivid palettes and dynamic compositions brought mythological stories to life with unparalleled vitality. In Bacchus and Ariadne, Titian masterfully portrays the moment of Bacchus awakens the slumbering Ariadne in whirlwind of colors and movement. The Rape of Europa unfolds the mythological saga of Zeus' pursuit of Europa. Titian's rendition captures the fraught moment of her abduction, depicted symbolically rather than graphically. Yet even as Titian's artistic star ascended, life dealt its challenges. The dreaded Black Plague descended upon Venice in 1575, claiming the lives of friends, including the illustrious Tintoretto. Titian, too, succumbed to illness, departing from this world on August 27, 1576, at the age of 88. His final resting place, the Frari Church, where he once embarked on his artistic journey. Today, Titian's legacy endures through canvases that continue to inspire. His influence reverberates through generations of artists worldwide, and his brushstrokes are etched into the annals of art history. Join me in the next episode as we uncover more tales from the world of classical masters. Until then, I'm Uri Shavit, bidding you a day filled with artistic wonder, and see you in the next episode.